Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. In this video we will learn about comparing the date. So the date type is a little different with some other types like a number, like a string. So we need to do something different with this type. Alright, but first I want to share with you a problem with the date when we're working with string. Alright, and you can see here we have the database. You can use the script select on from the department and see the day and the time we have here. And just notice on the time, so we see the ID 1 for department has the time 13/8/28, right? Just please notice this. But when you using the Postman and call the API to get a list of department, you can see the created day here, and this part showing you the time. You see this is the 6 and 28, not the 13. So why they are different? So please on the server, the day is in the UTC time zone, but when you call the API, the Spring will pass in them to your local time. But most of the time that behavior is normal. Even it's good for your system because when, for example, you open your Facebook and you see the post, you want to see it when the post created in your local time, right? So that behavior is good. But in some time you want to get the exactly time on the UTC, for example. So how you can configure that behavior? So to change it in the screen, you can go to the application properties file and add more property. Spring JPA hibernate. Properties hibernate JDBC time zone UTC, like this, and review your project. Now you can go open your Postman and run the API again and see we have the new, right, the new time. All right, this time is the same from the database, right? 13/28. all right, yeah, and you can see here we have a problem with the list of, because in the department, we have, you can go to the department entity, we have the list of account. So this is create a recursive loop forever. So the data will be looping too much time. To solve the problem, you can create a department detail for this, but I think for fast, I will recommend this view. No more code for this one. Just focus on the comparing date in this lesson. All right, just comment this, and yeah. Now we will add more form, more param for filter the day Alright, filter a day or search in a day or create a range filter for a day. We need to use the specification, right? But first go to the department repository and add more implementation for the JPA Specification filter department. Alright, first thing we need to do, and then we need to change the custom specification for support more field. So now we will compare equal for the created day. So we can check the field equal. If you put the created day, we can return a criteria equal. Okay, equal root get. Now the field you want to compare, you can go to the department entities and see we have a field named created day, right? Just copy this and go back to the custom specification, add in here, and we need to pass this to a Java SQL day. Okay, and we'll compare it to the value also to the day. Alright, we can go to, we need to create a util function to create a beware, right? Just copy the existing one account specification and change the name to department specification. And right now we need another form and another code, right? So just remove all here and go to the form, create a Java class. Okay, copy it for fast. You can push the name is department filter form, clear all the thing, private day. So please note that the day is come from Java SQL. Okay, please import the right library, and here is the create day. And when you add the param inside your Postman, we need to add the right format, right? But the right format by default is something like this. It's something like this. This is very difficult format for us to add, right? And in some case, we maybe have the different default format. So the necessary thing that we need to define a default format here. So we need to use the day time format here with a pattern very simple like this. Alright, and go to department specification and add the department specification. Sorry, department filter form, and this is the form. Alright, and in here we can check if the form is null, returns no. This technique name check no first, and then if the form is not null, we can check if the form gets created day is not null. We can return the Alright, first we need to create a custom specification, right? Custom specification day equal new custom specification with the field name created day, and then the value. The value comes from the form, and then just add the where equal the day like this, and then return the where. And now we can go to the account service, department service interface, and change a little bit for the get on department. Now we need to add more department filter form, right? And go to the implementation, add more filter form, and in here you need to create a specification. Alright, department, and where equal department specification be where. Alright, we need to change a little bit. I forgot to change this specification to the department entity, not the account anymore. Department, and in here we have custom specification. Yeah, I think we should change this to the generic type. Okay. Here is the T also. You remember that? This is the technique using the generic. Okay, the generic is the Java basic. I have told you in some previous video. If you don't understand or you don't have this knowledge, please go back to that part in the Java basics to learn more about this. Okay, this is called the generic, and by using this we need to change the code before for the account service also. Alright, account specification view, and custom. Here I need to change, I need to add more. Yeah, we won't call this one, so don't need to change it. Alright, just go back to the department service, and in here we go to the beware and change it again. For the custom specification, you need to add the generic type. Here we need to add the department. Okay, and here also department. Maybe not need. Okay, just do something like this. Here, alright, just go back to the department service and add the form here, and go to the controller for the department controller, and now for the get on department we need to add more department filter form, and add the form here. Alright, now we can go back to Alright, just don't forget to review the project. Alright, and go to the Postman, send again, and we have the list here. Because we removed the list of accounts, so we have a shorter data. And now try to add the created day and try to get this one sent. Alright, we have something wrong here. Department filter form validation failed. Maybe this day is not an AQL. I'll need to change it to the Java U2 and try to review. Alright, now we have the different result and try to change to 24. Oh yeah, that's right, I forget to add the way inside the file for repository. Okay, so this is my fault. Alright, just review the project again. And now run again. So we see we have an empty list because there's no any day satisfy that. Okay, let's check in the database, and you see we have here not only have the day, we also have the time here. So when we put something like only a day, so the time now is only 0, right? 0 hour maybe. So we can do something like compare exactly equal like this. So try to use the greater, for example, and review the project. And run again. You see we have more because these days has the extra time, so they are greater than the time that we put on the server, right? So to create the equal, to make the equal work properly, we need to add more data inside our database. Right now you need to add more department record. Copy this and paste it above below, and add more created day for this case, and add more field for value for this one, 2025 March, and the 25 like this, and just run this command to insert more record. Department name. Alright, because this is a unique key, so we need to add more marketing tool. Add. Alright, after we have this, we can go back to the Postman and run again. Yeah, it's I think we need to review the project again because we changed the method to equal. And now we can run and see we have here just one record for the new record that we added the marketing tool for this one with exactly time. And yeah, and in case you want to compare the day with create a range, you can use in the less than or equal, or you can greater than for the day time. Okay, criteria supports us multiple method for create something like that. Alright, I think that's all for this video, and if you have any question, please comment below and I will answer you soon. And if you like the video, please click on the button like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you.